This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode in Google Docs. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I'm in Google Docs here, and I've got just a little example sheet opened up in Google Docs. As you can see, this is pretty bright on the eyes. If you want to enable a dark mode in Google Docs, you have to download an extension. Google Docs doesn't have its own dark theme. So what you'll have to do, very easy to do, go over to the Chrome Web Store. As you can see here, Chrome Web Store. And in the search box here, search for Google Docs Dark Mode. I'm going to hit enter. And I happen to like this first one here. I believe it's pronounced Notte dark theme. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, this right here is what it basically looks like on your screen. I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. Then I will click Add Extension. And now, as you can see, it says Notte has been added to Chrome. I'm going to close that. I'm going to go back over to my Google Docs. And as you can see here, this is much easier on the eyes. Especially if you do a lot of work at nighttime. You probably want a dark mode in Google Docs. And this is a good one to have. That's how you enable a dark mode in Google Docs. Thanks for watching.